should probably get familiar.
Hi everyone, my name is Benita and yeah, we are back with another vlog for the channel. So guys, in today's vlog it's all about like a room makeover vlog. So I'll be painting, I'll be like drawing, I'll be customizing my friend's room because she wasn't feeling her room at all. So she got me as a stylist, of course, and I'm going to be customizing her room. So come with me while I draw, customize, and remake her room to the best. Yeah. So guys, if you're new here, I'm Benita, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like watch to the end because this video is going to help you and encourage you and help you learn something from like decorating, renovating your room, no matter how your room looks. So I'm going to be sharing with you like the before of it, right, and after of it. So right now I'm going to show like before of it, and I'll be showing like after doing it the final results. Of course she's going to love it, and because yeah, I know I got my skills, my talent, everything is set. So I'm going to customize her room. So come with me and hope you enjoy the whole video. Make sure you watch to the end, and yeah, I love you. Let's go. So guys, I'm going to show it to you, right? So right now I'm going to clean it, and yeah, so she lives Linka. Ngiye gukora rero before yayo. Wow. So guys, I'm going to show you like before of it and after of it, and yeah, I know she's going to love it. So guys, this is the like the before of the room. As you can see, so it's having like this problem. Let me show you guys. But yeah, I got her. I'm going to like to be making her room with her friend, and yeah, guys. So this is the before of it. Yeah, this is the before of it, and I'm going to show you like after customizing it. So guys, yeah, come with me while we decorate. Bye. So guys, yeah. So back to our main room. Back to our main room. Yeah. So guys, allow me to press you here because I'm going to do each and every process with you guys because bro, my tripod is jiggling. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to place you here. Yeah. I'm going to
power off.
My goodness. I'm going to place you here, and I show you like each and every process of things I'm going to be. Hey guys, I was customizing this cup. Look at my painting cup. Like in her brush, painting things yanje. So I did my painting cup as like this. It's cute, right? It's cute. Yeah. This is the cow. Like she's a whole ibara rya cow, as you can see, and Mickey, my fav, desialme. So guys, yeah, ikindi ni I'm going to be using like amadeplicate asanzwe, sibyo, like these ones. I have like 8 of them. Nakoze 3 for now. So I'm going to ngiye gukomeza kubikora, and in the meantime I did my own painting. I wasn't feeling it at all. Let me show you. Painting and you see that murongo. So that's on my painting. I mean my drawing. So yeah, I can show you like things I have like. So I was going to show you like and guys, I was like, it's for my friend's room. So this was my first. Look at this. It's light. It's written be the right Matthew. My friend akunda like a Bible things verses, right? Akunda Bible style things like that. So rero nahisemo nyine kumushakira amagambo ari like ariso nyine y'Imana. So yeah, I did this one, and hora ningi so ukunda biba biracurama we. Can you guys see it? Akundaza kuyibereka nkana n'iyingiyi. Guys rero iyingiyi nayikoze kubera ko marike ye yapfuye. By the way, I used marker this kind. Nta kintu nakoresheje na big. Yeah, nyine I line things well. And iyi ndayikoresha ariko urabona ko it's more style. Ariko siko nayishakaga but I'm glad ko nyine yatumye nkora imuza nziza byataje. So guys, I'm going to be continuing showing you each and everything, painting with you, no, drawing with you. I'm having my laptop again, so nkoresha my laptop, marker na pen, right? So I'm going to be continuing my pen, like my drawing thingy. I want to end it by like today if possible. I need to also do my loam because yeah, I need to do my loam, customize it as soon as. So wait, you light it. Can I make it like this, guys? Can you see me? Yeah. So so guys, yeah. So guys, when I'm drawing, I make sure I use my laptop, as you can see. Yeah, I draw it and nyine nkata nkoresha pen ndi kugira ndi kuyigira nyine. So yeah. What's it gonna be? All depend on the girl ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend on the girl ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm plenty survive with the face just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep at the bong bong bong, your body make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fait on m'a tête chocolat, fine oh baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more than your body chocolate, bullshit.